Hi, welcome to Garden Flies. Today I'm going to introduce a lot of craft things which I did for my best buddy's birthday a few days back, which is in a special theme called Little Man theme. It is very popular in birthday parties. So first thing is it's table topper to keep on the table. These all stuffs are table toppers only, which is keeping on the tables. This is some props baskets and some name I have done, which is alphabets, 3D alphabets. I think you can see this, which is like a cylinder with the same theme, moustache. It's very popular in this theme, and it's numbers. Again alphabets and a box with a cap. It will be like this. You can attach also this one, but I am not attached. Also with the paper cap, which I have done a video. I am not sure that this is under editing, but not sure that when I will update. But today I am going to show you a special thing, which is popcorn cup. It's popcorn cup. Let me show you how to make the popcorn cup. The required things are Fevicol is needed, or any craft glue. Bows I made and kept ready. It is there in my previous video. You can just go and see the video. I will give that link in the description box. You can see that. First thing is bow. Scale is needed and squeezing tool. Then few strips of paper. Then I've just kept again a black paper if necessary, and few black dots of cut paper. The first step I just made this for showing you. I have taken a sample of a piece of a colorful paper to cut a pattern of the popcorn cup. That means it's a square paper of 4.5 by 5.5 inch size. In that, what I have done is, in the base I have cut a half inch size, almost 1 inch. 1 inch from this side and 1 inch from other side. I have marked and I am going to cut it to the corner like this. From this 1 inch to this corner, and from this 1 inch point to this corner. So that you will get a shape like this, a square only, but base are little smaller, like a popcorn cup shape will come. I've just cut one more and kept. So one is ready with me. It's in this shape. I'm going to use it. This is a little bit strong paper. I use as a stencil to draw this pattern on the paper. Take the paper now. Same glue I have used. I'll keep this. You can draw pattern with paper. We need to draw 4 patterns continuously, one after another. It will go like this without stopping. And we have to cut the shape. Top side we have to cut same line, but when you cut the down, you need to give some extra gap for folding the box. I mean, this part we need to make, so that extra paper we need to left while cutting the base part. Making this one cut. So this one is down. I'm cutting like this. So I have cut this paper in this shape. Top I cut exactly the same level, and after 4 columns, an extra also I cut to fold and join. But the down I just kept 2 inch extra for folding and closing the box. Now what we need to do is, we have to cut this corner like this shape for sticking part, and down also corner, and again to this shape. For all the points we need to cut angles. every point I cut. Maybe extra you can cut and remove if it is not necessary by folding. So finally this shape has come. I can fold this. The mark VHS piece we can fold it. This is a small folding for the joining part. All other angles are for the four sides. And down also we'll fold this corner to corners, this point to point. Finally it's come like this, almost a box. Okay, so the next step is I'll take a sharp scissor for this and this is fine. We need to make a scallop shape on the edges. Let me see. Okay or not? Yeah. The scissor is off. Finally, the scallop shape is made on the edges. You can see here. Now the next step is we are going to just close and joining this box. For that, putting glue here, the extra part. Just closing on the correct point. This down point should be equal, otherwise very difficult to finish this work. But top point is with this mismatch also we can cut and manage. Be very careful, this base is joining on the correct point. After sticking this part, keep this way. And then same like the gift wrapping or box closing, two will go inside, two will go on the top. So whatever the go inside, let it be as it is. Maybe if you want, you can put little glue and stick it off. For the top layers, apply glue and close. Make this is proper square. Otherwise, the angles you have to make sure it's square. So this simple popcorn cup is ready. But what we need to do is we need to do some extra decorations and extra things for the same thing, convert into this theme. For that I have just kept, I already showed the bows here. Before sticking the bow, we need to put these two lines like a small suspender kind of thing. Apply glue on the sides. Then stick the strips. Same angle. And this only can use here. After sticking the scallop shape, you have to just cut and manage. From inside you can see that. How to cut that. Same thing, you have to cut and manage. Down to same flat. The extra everything is cut and removed. The next is this bow. Apply the glue on the bow. Then stick on the top in the correct direction. And keep like this for a moment until it gets stick properly. Then make 2 points for the button, black dots. And stick this cut circles over here. You can use paper or form sheet, any 3D effects or normal black buttons also you can use, it will be very nice. It looks very beautiful and it's matching with the same theme. Most of the things are done in the same way. The main craft is the main bow and style is the main things in these themes. Hope you you all are enjoy. It's very simple because everyone can try. With simple things for your party at your home. No need to buy popcorn cups from outside. Simple things you can make it home itself. Hope you all are enjoy this craft video. It was very simple, and also I want to thank you for all watching my videos. If you want for more craft related to same themes, I'm just going to make all this. I have a plan to make so many things in the same theme, but not in a single video. It will be coming different episodes because it's a time consuming and long process video. So this is today's video. It was very simple. Making a popcorn cup is not a big thing. It was very simple, that as you have seen in the video. For your small parties and events at homes, you can make this kind of things at home. It's a simple thing. That is what I mean to show through this video. And I have a lot of things in the same thing I have done before, which I want to show you in the coming videos. So keep on watching my video. So guys, stay home, stay safe, and do crafts. And also, take care and bye bye.